The hippopotamus, guardian of the threshold between water and earth. When you first look at a hippopotamus, the impression can be misleading. Large, heavy, slow. But if you stay longer, something else begins to emerge. Not a force that wants to dominate, but a force that no longer needs to prove anything. The hippopotamus is not an animal of motion. It is an animal of presence. Its world is not built on speed, but on rhythm. Inhale, silence, submerge, emerge. There is no randomness in this. It is a ritual. When it sinks beneath the water, there are no signs, no bubbles, no disturbance. The surface barely moves, as if the space itself agrees to become quiet. This is the first key to understanding the hippopotamus. It does not enter an environment, it attunes to it. Eyes that do not judge. When you look into its eyes, you do not feel hunting. You do not feel fear. You do not even feel curiosity. You feel depth. The eyes of the hippopotamus are not designed to track detail. They are designed to perceive the whole: water, land, movement, presence, all at once. That is why it feels timeless. Not because it is slow, but because it is not going anywhere. It is exactly where it needs to be. A body that anchors the earth. The hippopotamus carries immense mass on legs that seem unassuming. They are not made for speed. They are made for stability. Its body is like a moving island. Low center of gravity, high balance. In water, it does not swim like a fish. It does not rush like other mammals. It rests within the water. Its movement is vertical, down, up, between worlds. And here we touch its deepest role. Guardian of the threshold. The hippopotamus is an animal of boundaries. Not boundaries of conflict, but boundaries of balance. Water represents memory, emotion, deep currents of consciousness. Earth represents form, structure, physical reality. The hippopotamus stands between them, without interference, without force. Its presence maintains order even when nothing seems to happen. This is why it appears indifferent, not because it does not perceive, but because it perceives everything at once. An ancient line of memory. In its head and eyes lives a trace of something very old. Not myth, not legend, but an archetype of the guardian. Not a warrior, not a ruler, but a being that holds space so completely that nothing needs to be proven. That is why it can resemble creatures from primordial times, not in body, but in consciousness. The hippopotamus is Earth's memory in motion, slow, exact, unshakable. What it teaches us: the hippopotamus does not teach action. It teaches being. It shows that balance does not come from effort, but from deep grounding. That silence is not weakness, but a form of strength that does not need sound. And that some beings are not here to change the world, but to hold it together while others move.